Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're diving into a car that turns heads and captures the spirit of American muscle, the 1998 Dodge Charger. While this year didn't feature a production version of the Charger we know today, there were concept designs and whispers of Dodge exploring how to modernize this legendary nameplate. So, let's explore what made this car unique, its design philosophy, performance potential, and why it still resonates with car enthusiasts. Let's start with the design. The 1998 Dodge Charger concept was a bold reimagining of the muscle car for a new era. It retained the aggressive and powerful stance that the Charger name was known for, with a long, sweeping hood and wide rear fenders that screamed power. The designers blended retro cues with modern touches, including sharp-edged headlights, a muscular front grille, and sleek lines that hinted at speed even when the car was standing still. The rear featured distinctive tail lights, wrapping across the width of the car, giving it a futuristic vibe for the late 90s. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement, blending heritage with innovation. Under the hood, Dodge made sure performance was at the heart of this concept. While it didn't go into production, the engineering behind the car showcased what could have been. The 1998 Charger concept was powered by a 4.7-liter SOHC V8 engine, delivering power and torque worthy of the Charger name. This engine was mated to a rear-wheel drive platform, a nod to the muscle car legacy, ensuring the kind of driving dynamics enthusiasts crave: plenty of power, a throaty exhaust note, and the thrill of lighting up the rear tires. It wasn't just about raw horsepower, the engine's refinement and balance aimed to make the car accessible to a broader range of drivers. The interior of the Charger concept was designed with both driver and passenger in mind. It combined sporty elements with a touch of sophistication. The dashboard featured a driver-focused layout with analog gauges and a clean, simple design. Leather bucket seats provided support for spirited driving while maintaining comfort for longer trips. Dodge emphasized functionality with an ergonomic center console, intuitive controls, and a hint of luxury that wasn't overwhelming but felt appropriate for a car carrying the Charger badge. One of the unique aspects of the 1998 Charger concept was its focus on efficiency alongside performance. Dodge engineers were already thinking about the future, and the concept included a natural gas option, showcasing an early interest in alternative fuels. This was a forward-thinking move at the time, as automakers began grappling with stricter emissions regulations and changing consumer preferences. The idea of pairing muscle car power with cleaner energy was innovative, hinting at Dodge's willingness to evolve without losing its edge. From a performance standpoint, the Charger concept wasn't just about straight-line speed, it promised a balance of handling and braking to complement its power. The suspension setup was tuned for a sporty but composed ride, making it capable on both highways and twisty back roads. Large disc brakes ensured confident stopping power, while the rear-wheel drive layout and balanced weight distribution contributed to precise handling. Dodge aimed to create a car that felt alive in the hands of its driver, something that would connect the person behind the wheel to the road in a way few cars could. Now let's talk about why this car remains special, even though it never made it to production. The 1998 Dodge Charger concept was a bridge between the classic muscle car era and the modern reinterpretation of what a Charger could be. It carried the DNA of the 1960s and 1970s Charger's power, aggression, and presence while embracing the design trends and engineering challenges of the late 1990s. It was a car that dared to dream big, reminding enthusiasts of what Dodge stood for: bold designs, unapologetic performance, and a willingness to push boundaries. Even today, the 1998 Charger concept remains a favorite topic among automotive historians and enthusiasts. It's a what-if story in the muscle car world, a glimpse of what Dodge might have delivered had this concept reached dealerships. While the Charger name would later return with great success in the 2000s, this concept serves as a snapshot of a pivotal time in the brand's history, when innovation met tradition in a way that could only come from Dodge. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 1998 Dodge Charger concept.